Hey guys, it's Olivia
And Ava.
and welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be making
Slime. Well, that's not name, but
fluffy slime.
Fluffy slime. So basically, guys, some of you may be wondering why she's in my video. This is my channel, but it's like, well, there's gonna be a lot of videos with us together. So yeah, just
And you may be wondering, okay,
why is there stuff in her bowl?
Ava messed up my slime. I was doing perfectly. I already had my glue. And
she never told
shaving
me,
cream.
and
I
so
have a thing of Tide, and Ava
I
just
poured
poured
all
the
of
whole
it.
thing in it, so it messed up.
She never
But-
told me, but it's okay. That's
okay.
what it looks like. It's okay.
So
Mine's
the
a clean bowl though.
ingredients you'll need is glue, of course.
Shaving cream. We're just using this shaving cream. It's kind of not very good shaving cream, but it's fine.
Tide,
It's in a bucket.
and then I just have some red
Food
coloring.
coloring.
And then we have plastic spoons, and I just have pumpkin.
Yeah, we just-
So that's
and then of course
basically
you need your bowl. So first thing you're gonna do,
Add it.
yeah, is add your almost.
So you don't have to have a you can do clear slime, but but there's no point of doing clear slime and adding
Yeah, so we're not doing close time. We're doing
white, because this is the only kind of glue we
this is
have.
white slime. So we're just pouring about that much. You guys probably can't see that.
I'm gonna add my shaving cream.
We're just gonna kind of just do
Now the shaving cream's tinted pink, like really lightly tinted pink. So like, as you can see, you probably can't see
Okay,
that.
so this is how much glue I have. This is how much glue I have.
And this is, see, the shaving cream's tinted pink. So,
Okay, so now I'm at my shaving cream. We're just using this shaving cream. It's not really light shaving cream, but you know, we're gonna.
it smells good.
You guys can't really see that, but it's okay. Then you're gonna need. Whoa. Okay, I didn't realize this is such an item set. Then you're gonna need to get. She already has one because she already started. You're just gonna need a spoon. We're just using plastic because I don't know. We're just gonna mix it.
So, I'm already done mixing. And it looks clumpy because there's some activator in it. The activator is Tide. So, Ivy, don't put this on the table because there's stuff on the bottom. I'm just
So
pouring
this is what mine looks like now.
a little bit.
That's what hers looks like.
Yes. I'm pouring a little bit at a time.
Thought I got glue in my shop, but it didn't. Okay, so I'm gonna put some more shaving cream in it. So I'm pretty sure.
And by the way, our hair look really bad because it's actually
we
snowing
just
today.
we just got out of the snow.
Probably won't be able to see it, but you can.
Well, yeah, we'll just show you.
Yeah, you can see it.
Yeah, we got a lot of snow this year. We got about 10 inches, something like that. So we got a good amount of snow. Okay, so I'm gonna just add a little more activator off shaving cream.
It's so crazy to think that's already
December 9th.
Yeah, 9th. And we're not going to have school tomorrow. So.
Yeah, they already canceled it. I personally don't think we're gonna have school all week.
It's supposed to be below freezing.
Yeah, a couple people think that. And this morning it was so like snowing. We couldn't go sledding until like 1 because that's when it stopped like snowing.
And the sledding wasn't really
And
good.
then it just started snowing right when we got down there. So, ooh,
First
look
off,
at
my
mine.
legs were completely
So we'll show Olivia's.
Mine's coming together.
It looks really weird, but it's
It
okay.
looks really clumpy.
This is mine. I
So
really
that's
like
just kind
mine.
of the activator we used. But if you,
Oh,
I mean, it's better than borax.
okay. I can't really mix while holding a camera. Oh wait.
Do you want to add more shaving cream?
I think I like mine how it is.
You can always add more shaving cream.
Yeah, you can add as much shaving cream as you want.
Anything else happen? Love you.
So,
Oh wait.
How was yours? Your face is red, boy. freezing? Yeah. Come from the farm.
So, sorry about the background noise.
See, here's the problem with that. We turn it on, and then the heat cuts off, and it gets freezing upstairs.
So I'm gonna use some type. Sorry about the background noise. My mom and dad are talking. Guys, we're making a YouTube
Hey, go
video.
try get the heated blanket. It's
Mama,
upstairs on that.
Mama, we're making a YouTube video.
Oh, sorry, it's on the
Okay, guys, my family's weird. I'm so sorry about the background noises. But we're just using some Tide. I'm gonna just pour a little bit. I literally poured that much, not a lot at all. Ew, this kind of looks gross.
I'm just gonna add a little bit more, then I'm gonna take it out of the bowl. And the thing with Tide, if you put all of it, it becomes really, really clumpy. So you gotta add it like a little bit at a time.
I think I like borax and water better than Tide.
I like Tide better.
I'm just mixing.
Okay,
mixing.
so mine's good, so I'm gonna take it out the bowl. Or I'm gonna mix it in the bowl actually. Ooh. Oh.
You want some hot chocolate, Luke?
Do you want to feel mine, Ava? It's good.
I need to use this napkin.
Ava! So mine's actually good.
I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you can. Okay, so I want mine to turn out really good because I'm not a very good slime maker. Olivia's a pretty good one. So,
Is it slaty, Matt?
y'all, shush, we're making a YouTube video. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a little more.
Oh
my gosh.
This is really good consistency.
Ish. You gotta add the ish at the end. This is really good consistency. Ish.
It's like literally tied in the middle of this. Ooh, okay.
Okay, as you can see, mine's still pretty like
I'm gonna add more shaving cream.
droopy. I'll show you guys what mine looks like.
No, man. Who was there? Did you run? Me, Ryan, Spencer Williams, Cooper Smith. I didn't know that all the people. How did Spencer Williams get over here?
Yes, this is our little setup.
He lives in Chandler Farm.
Oh, we just got a notification. Sorry, I was doing this. Just we got a notification. And I had to swipe it up. Swipers, no swiping.
Yeah.
Guys, I hope we don't have school all week. It's a
I
Sunday.
think-
if you didn't know.
Yeah, it's a Sunday. It's not a Monday. But we don't have school tomorrow. It's okay.
Guys, mine's actually really good.
I'm gonna just scoop some of that out.
Ava, from now on, this is gonna be our slime. Shaving cream.
Okay, just had to scoop a little bit of that out.
So, I don't really like the color of this. Guys, hold on. This is like a really good consistency. You can hear it click.
Oh my gosh, you can hear it.
But,
I
I don't, it's kind of like a really
remind her that it's not ASMR.
gross color. Like, it's kind of like, I don't even know what color it's supposed to be. So I'm going to add some red. Hopefully it'll make it pink.
Swipers, no swiping. Swipers, no swiping.
So this is like
Do
a
you think I
really
can put this on the table?
strong, mix it for a little bit more. Oh! Whoops.
Mama, can you give me a napkin?
Nah, it's on the table. Nah. Please help me,
How
Ava.
much did you put?
Ava, for real, I'm struggling. Help me.
My mama, look how much Olivia poured
You think I meant to?
of the red dye.
I just don't really
Oh, I got it on the table also. It's fine, now I gotta do is just swipe. Okay, mine's,
She probably
okay, I
does.
got red dye in mine. I don't care, I was gonna dye it pink and
What? Ugh.
okay, haha. Gosh, I can't hold the bowl.
Yeah.
Do you think I can put it on the table now?
I don't know.
What is this? Like a
Maybe. I mean, if it's sticky. Dude, really? I mean, if it's sticky.
Probably. Is this sticky to you?
Yes.
I have to like ask her. Do I add more shaving cream or keep mixing? I mean, add more Tide or keep mixing?
Keep mixing. Ooh. What kind of color is this? So I'm kind of just kneading this right now.
This is what mine looks like, guys.
I'm gonna have more shaving cream.
You guys can't even see that. See, I don't like slime because I don't have patience. And you kind of have to have patience to make slime. Okay, can I put it on the table now? Can I?
I'm more shaving cream. Shaving cream makes it softer.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna put it back in the bowl for a minute. Okay, guys, so I'm just poking at my fingers now. Okay, I think I'm gonna take it out now. I think it's good. Oh, dang it. Okay, we got it off me without having to do whatever. Okay, I'm gonna add more shaving cream because I don't know. She said I needed to.
Okay, can you guys see this? No, you can't, but it's like a pink color now. Let me show you guys. That's hers. I'm trying to dye
It's
it.
more pink on camera than it is. Gosh, you almost got that on me, but you didn't, thankfully. Getting shaving cream on me.
Me?
No, I am.
Like major
Oh.
background noises.
Oh, wait, Linda, look at the camera.
Oh.
Sorry, guys.
Well, like, me and Ava do something we normally don't. Dude. Like, oh my gosh, why is the brightness so high?
You need to turn that light off. Can you turn that light off right here, Mama?
where?
Right here.
There we go.
There. Start first, but it looks
So I got the slime making video from Zoe Addison. So yeah, she was doing an upside down slime. And I guess
Oh, well, we got it from Zoe's channel, but
we're not doing the upside down part.
it's not the exact same.
I was just scrolling through YouTube and I found it and I was like, ooh. And I watched it for a little bit and I was like, seems like fun. So it's coming together.
Her name's Zoe Addison. That's her name, in real life, that's her name. So Yeah.
So if you don't follow her, make sure to.
You should also follow us.
I'm adding a little more Tide because
Oh, hers is like a bubblegum pink. Yeah, you can see it. Mine looks white on camera. It's not white. It's a very, 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 very light pink.
it looks like more like blue.
Blue.
Now you should be able to see it from here. I mean, you may not. I don't know, but it's a pink.
Okay, then we're gonna add some.
Be careful. Don't add a lot.
Tiniest bit of red. Like just like boop, like that. I literally just added that much.
Now see, borax or borax, whatever it's called.
Borax.
I don't know.
Who says borax?
Some people. Now I like Tide because if you play with it, you don't have to worry about like getting burns or something. But with borax, like
You
it
can't
makes
get
the slime
bonds with
quicker.
Now, if you use borax, don't get scared. Because you can't get bonds unless you make slime 3
And with
times
Tide-
a week. If you make slimes 3 times a day for a week. So. I'm just mixing. Mine's still a little sticky. Should I add some Tide?
Oh. Probably.
Okay, so I'm gonna add the tiniest bit of Tide.
See, both of us haven't even used that full thing up yet.
Wait until it comes out.
So probably with Tide, you probably need more kneading than the actual Tide. But with borax, you probably need more borax than. I mean, you still have to knead it, but.
Yeah, with borax. I
Oh,
just
you
feel
want
like
to
it's-
plug our Instagrams?
Oh yeah, my Instagram is Ava Will 08.
And mine's Olivia Will. Oh, so.
Go follow me.
And me. So I think it's a great. I don't know if I should.
Comment down below if you want like a morning routine. Or like night, either morning routine, night routine, or like day routine.
Because we could do it tomorrow. Yeah, that's cool. Or do you want us to do a school morning routine?
You can comment down below if like a weekend morning routine, like a summer morning routine, or like a Christmas break, or winter morning routine, whatever.
Because Christmas break's literally in the matter of 2 weeks. Like, yeah. I don't know.
I think we're gonna add a little more Tide. I just added like the same amount that I did before. Maybe even less.
So we may do a lot of slime videos on this channel. I'm not sure. I mean, I love slime. I mean, we may do a lot together. Like, Ava's first 3 videos are just on her. So, I just thought, this video
By the way, that
probably
roller coaster
so
ride-
long. Oh my gosh, this video is 19 minutes.
Okay, guys. So I mean, we're done. We're just playing with it.
Yeah. So make sure to go follow her.
Our Instagrams, Ava Will 08, Olivia Will 08.
So yeah.
So yeah, we'll just show you our slimes one last time and just do.
Sorry, it's not the best lighting. Oh, maybe it is. I don't know.
I think I'm gonna add some more Tide to mine.
We're
But then
probably just
other
gonna
than
sit
that,
here for a little
mine's
bit and play with it.
finished.
And then
This is Olivia's.
slime. It's more pink in real life, but it's really.
Hers is like a
not.
bubblegum pink, and mine's just like kind of like a baby pink.
I'm probably still gonna add a little more Tide just to make sure it's right consistency.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you
I know
like.
it's so long. It's 20 minutes.
Yeah, we're so sorry. But I hope you guys like. Comment down below if you what videos you want to see, and subscribe.
we
And hit that
literally have no
notifications
ideas.
bell. It's that bell beside the subscription button. Oh, the subscribe button. Whoa. Button.
Oh, make sure to turn our notifications on.
I just said that.
Oh.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
I just blew a kiss. Bye.
Bye.